Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Easy Craft. Hope so all my dear viewers are doing well. Dear viewers, today I am back with another amazing and beautiful collection ideas about Christmas centerpieces. All the ideas are attractive, beautiful and unique. In this video you will see such as unique and beautiful pieces. All the centerpieces are very beautiful and which is very helpful for your home decoration in Christmas occasion. All the ideas are made with different things, so watch the video till end. Keep supporting me, keep liking my videos. Most important thing, please subscribe my channel. Don't forget to press bell icon for more beautiful updates. Thank you. Stay blessed, stay happy, have a nice day.